In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a Vimeo video gallery app on Wix. This process can make your Wix website significantly more engaging with interactive videography content. To kick off the process, get set on the Wix editor. This is the key access point for all changes to be performed on your Wix site. Be aware that an option denoted Add Elements is located on the left side of your editor screen. This powerful feature harbors a myriad of components for enhancing your website. Click on this section to explore the wide array of elements you can add to your site. Among the diverse collection of elements, you will find an option titled Gallery. Click on it to reveal the different gallery types that you can add to your website. Among them, you will see another choice labeled Pro Gallery. Select this option to incorporate a robust, professional-looking gallery to your desired web page. Having added the Pro Gallery to your web page, the next checkpoint is getting to grips with the gallery element you have just brought on board. There is a specifically dedicated function to maneuver within the repository of media you wish to display. This function is accessed when you click on the gallery element and select Manage Media. Now that you have successfully navigated to the Manage Media function, you want to add media to the gallery. You will see an option to Add Media, so go ahead and click on it. This will offer you a variety of media types that you can attach to your gallery. Looking to embed Vimeo content? You're in luck, as Vimeo is one of the options offered here. Dig into the list of choices and select Vimeo. Upon selecting Vimeo, you will be requested to provide the URL of the Vimeo video you wish to incorporate into your gallery. Do retrieve the URL from Vimeo and paste it into the indicated space. After pasting the Vimeo video URL, the final stages of this process are rather straightforward. Look out for a button that invites you to Add to Gallery. Press this button, which will cue the selected Vimeo video link to the Pro Gallery. Ensure that you've accomplished the embedding process by clicking on Done. With these guided steps, you should now have successfully embedded a Vimeo video into your Wix Pro Gallery. Explore your website live to savor the new look and the enhanced interactivity provided by your Vimeo video content. As you continue familiarizing yourself with the Wix editor, you'll discover how versatile and potent a tool it can be for boosting the attractiveness and functionality of your Wix site. That concludes our tutorial for now. Thanks for tuning in.